done. You got any in your ears?
Got any in your ear?
Come here, let's see. Okay, get over here. See if you can get them out of your ears. Okay, shake them out. You gotta shake them. Oh, okay, there's a couple of them. Now get the rest of them out. You gotta shake them harder. There, harder. Okay, now bang some more out. They're in there. You gotta bang your head a little bit.
Go like this, Jordan.
There's another one. You gotta bang hard.
Go do this, Jordan, on the table. Hit your head on the table. Got it. Go like this. Like this.
Now just let it keep doing it for a while.
You gotta bang it up and down. You gotta bang your head up and down.
Jordan.
They're stuck up in there.
Gotta shake them out.
They're in there. Get them out.
Shake them out. Shake them out all the way.
There's
Shake 'em
one.
out.
There's more up in there. No, there's more candy in your ear. Get it out.
No
that's
candy.
earwax.
Keep going. Get it out of there.
Gosh, you're so smart. What do you want? Remember my last birthday when you said that I could start dating any